lymphadenitis, obstruction of lymph node, and lymphedema. The lymph exudate accumulates that stimulates the connective tissue hypertrophy and hyperplasia. जिस भी part में होता है, that part gets enlarged and swelled up. The skin becomes coarse and warts develop. Cracks and fissures are also seen. Secondary bacterial infection is seen, and this kind of thing is mostly seen in the legs, but you can say limbs, but it may involve other parts of the body, for example breast, scrotum, penis and vulva. Legs, limbs, breast, scrotum, penis and vulva. जिस भी ऑर्गन में होता है वो ऑर्गन एनलार्ज हो जाता है, स्वेल हो जाता है, इसीलिए इसको एलिफेंटियासिस भी बोला जाता है. नाउ अबाउट ऑकल्ट filariasis. This is the clinical condition where that not naturally the lymph nodes are not involved basically, but this happens due to hypersensitivity, and this hypersensitivity occurs due to antigen that is produced by the worm. The microfilaria, in occult filariasis, microfilaria is also not seen. So what you can say that occult filariasis is due to the worm and clinical filariasis is due to microfilaria. If it is microfilaria, clinical filariasis occurs. If it occurs due to worm, occult filariasis occurs. Now next, diagnosis. Lab diagnosis. In lab diagnosis, we can check for peripheral blood smear, where we usually take night blood sample, supposing that the person sleeps in the night. We can also take chylous urine, and we can also take hydrocele fluid. Biopsy of lymph node can be seen. Skin test with delayed hypersensitivity can be checked for the presence of filarial antigen or anti-filarial antibody. You can check the blood film and you can see eosinophilia. Again, the thick and thin blood smear is made. Drug of choice is DEC, diethyl carbamazine, that is 2 mg per kilo of body weight. This particular drug, it induces microfilaria to appear in peripheral blood even during the daytime. Blood collection can be done, and this DEC can be given 100 mg to adults. This microfilaria कैन ऑल्सो बी सीन इन द सेंट्रीफ्यूज डिपॉजिट्स. जो कि आप ये सब फ्लूइड लेते हैं, इन फ्लूइड्स को लेकर के टेस्ट ट्यूब में लेके इसको अगर सेंट्रीफ्यूज करेंगे तो यू कैन सी द presence of microfilaria, that is the sheathed structure like this and having the epidemiology, that is eradication of the vector mosquito and detection of the carriers, where we give this 6 mg per kg body weight. This can be given daily for 12 days, or it can be given for 2 weeks or 6 days in a week. Mass chemotherapy should be done. This is all for filaria. Thank you.